Hello, you're welcome to maths class. It's a trigonometry proof that we are solving this in this class. We are solving question on trigonometry proof. This is an IGCSE 2002 question, and this is a NECO 2010 question. Let's start with this one. Now, this one says that show that the equation 3 tan theta equals 2 cos theta can be expressed as 2 sine squared theta plus 3 sine theta minus 2. That is what we are going to do in this question, is to prove that this equation can be written like this. And then for this one, we are going to prove that this subtraction, can be written as this product. Very, very straight what we are going to do here. Now we start from here. Now we know that tan theta from trigonometric identity is sine theta divided by cos theta. That's what tan theta is. That's what our tan theta is. So since tan theta is represented by this, so we are going to rewrite this using this and not this again, because we want to prove this. So we have 3 sine theta divided by cos theta equal to cos theta. That's what we have now. So we are progressing. So since we have it like this, we could cross multiply. So by cross multiplying, we have 3 sine theta equals to cos theta times cos theta is cos theta square. So that's what we have now. Now, since we have this, we are just moving down. So we have 3 sine theta again equals, but you know cos square theta, from trig identity, cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. That is, this plus this is 1. So since this plus this is 1, and this is what we have, we will replace, we could use any one to write in respect of the other. So let us write cos with respect to sine. So we have cos square theta equals 1 minus sine square theta. That's what it means. So what it means is that this cos square can be written like this, because this is an equation. This is equal to. So we will replace this whole thing with this. So we have 3 sine theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So we have replaced this 1 with this. So we are going to multiply out now. We have 3 sine theta equals 2. We are multiplying this bracket. We are using this 2 to expand this bracket. Minus 2 sine square theta. So recall this where we are going, and we are almost there, because we have 3 sine theta, positive, positive. But our 2 sine theta here is positive, but here it is negative. So since it is negative, we are going to carry this whole bunch, move it over the equal sign. So it will give us 3. No, let's use this now, since we are moving this one. It gives us 2 sine square theta. 3 is already positive here. 3 sine theta is already positive here. Plus 3 sine theta. Left with 2. But our 2 is positive here. Since our 2 is positive here and it's negative here, we simply move it over the equal sign. We move it over the equal sign. We are moving the 2 over the equal sign. So if we move it over the equal sign, it becomes negative here. So it becomes minus 2 here, just as it is here, equal to 0. So it is proved. So that's proved. Then we move to the next question. The next question says, prove that tan square theta minus sine square theta equals sine square theta tan theta. Recall that, let's come back here, because the trigonometric identity looks very, very similar. So since we have tan square theta here and we have tan theta here, we can rewrite this tan square theta in this form, but just that we'll square it here because it is squared there. It's not squared there because the tan theta is not squared there. This tan is not squared there. That's why we write it in singular form here. So here we are going to square it. So we are going to have sine square over cos square minus sine square over 1. We are solving as fraction now. So 1 times sine square is sine square minus cos square times sine square is cos square sine square all over cos square. Okay? Here we can factor sine out because we have sine on this side, we have sine on this side, square. So we factor 1 sine square out, open brackets, 1 minus cos square because these two sine has been factored out. So we have 1 here minus cos square all over cos square. Now, this 1 minus cos square theta is similar to what we did here. Recall I said we could write anyone with respect to another. We wrote cos square with respect to 1 minus sine square theta. So since we have 1 minus cos square theta, we are going to write it with respect to sine square theta. So we are going to use sine square here, believing that cos square has moved over the equal sign, just like we have here. So we have sine square all over theta, 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 cos square theta. Good. So sine divided by cosine is tan from here. Sine divided by cosine is tan. So, but like I said, it is singular here, but it is squared here. So since it is squared here, we are going to have sine square, which is this. Then this divided by this is tan, but it's tan square. Proved. Proved and proved again. Proved again. That's interesting. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you do enjoy the class, like our page, subscribe our page, tell your friends about our page, and then you can also join us as we go for the next class. Thank you.